My dear students, my name is Dr. Rajiv Bahl. I am the Director General of the Indian Council of Medical Research. You might have heard the name Indian Council of Medical Research during the COVID times. During COVID times, the Indian Council of Medical Research worked to fight against the COVID pandemic by making vaccine, by doing all the testing, and by making sure that everybody got the right treatment for COVID. Today, I would like to welcome you to an ICMR laboratory. Today is a day when we want you to see a laboratory, to work and think like a scientist, to know what the scientists do. You know that even the Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi ji, said in Mann Ki Baat in February 2025 that all students should at least one day in a year try to become a think like a scientist and visit a lab, visit an institution, visit somewhere where research and innovation are happening. So, research and innovation. What do we mean by that? What we mean is finding new things, finding and making new technologies. You all know that before we did not have, let's say, an X-ray, then it was very difficult to find out if somebody had a fracture or somebody had pneumonia. But when X-ray was discovered, we could now treat patients and treat people very accurately, and those problems became very easy to treat. Similarly, the Indian Council of Medical Research works on different things, different research projects to find out about making new knowledge and making new technologies. For example, to find out what we want when we are doing a test for TB. Now, if the test is very difficult, then it will take so many days for anybody to find out if they are suffering from TB. And in that time, the disease will spread and the disease can also become serious. However, with new technology that ICMR has worked on, new tests that are based on what we call nucleic acids, you might have read in your science books and biology about DNA and RNA, and based on the DNA and RNA, now we can detect tuberculosis very easily and very fast. So, we would like you today to interact with scientists, to see the labs, to see what has happened in the past few years in India, particularly in medical research, in research related to health, so that you can see it for yourself how India is making progress and in leaps and bounds moving towards a Viksit Bharat. So again, I will now welcome you and ask you to now listen to Dr. Curio, who will tell you many things, many details about what is going to happen today. Lots of good wishes to all of you. Thank you.